had a sad and unfortunate development today at the hotel in Leadville, and the whole ridgeline I'm about to walk is on fire. I know there's hikers out in that, and I'm really worried. I'll be skipping this section. We'll be skipping this section. So yeah, this is a first for me. I'm very thankful that I stayed here. I had 2 nights in this hotel, and I could have been out in that. We're on trail, we're hiking. We hitched from the hotel to Twin Lakes this morning. Just figured I'd get out of it, get mail drop, because we were gonna run out of Sage's food anyway. Air quality's not terrible down here. It's a little hazy. Might be able to see behind me. It's a little hazy. We're heading into the Collegiate West. I'm gonna take it one day at a time. See how smoky it gets. Make sure Sage is okay. Yeah, happy to be alive and hiking. You can see all the smoke settled in the valley last night. Hope Pass, check. First pass to the Collegiate West. We made it. We summited. What do you think? Are you a mountain climber? You're a mountain dog. Little trail dog. Good job, Sage. Fuck yeah. I wasn't trying to film anything, was I, Sage? No, I wasn't. Look at that. There's a marmot over there. There's one up there. Sage is trying her hardest to be really good. You're doing a good job, Sage. Please don't walk up to us. No, dude, that's probably not a good idea. We came by a lot on... Oh God, hey buddy, let's not get too close, okay? Leave it, Sage, leave it. He wants to say hi. Good girl. I'm gonna waste all my battery on this one video. Hey. There he goes. Here's a shot of us walking. Yep. She's pooped, but I think 17 miles was worth this camping. Look at that. This'll work.
15 minutes later.
So it was totally fine when I got here, but now, as you can see, looking down in the valley, it's gotten very smoky. There's fucking ash falling from the sky right now. We're gonna keep an eye on this air quality here because it's getting pretty hazy. I don't know if the camera's capturing it really. I would say if I can't see that mountain anymore, I might start hiking out of here. Right, Sagers? I don't think she's digging this either. That's what her dinner looks like. It's got a bunch of chicken in it tonight. That's what my dinner looks like. It's got a bunch of chicken in it tonight. Chicken. The clouds look so weird with all the smoke below them. This whole hike, this is gonna be the theme. Is smokiness. This is how quick it can change. Not an hour later, and it's pretty clear that way. You can kind of see those mountains in the distance now. Do you want to go hiking? Do you want to go hiking? Yeah, we're gonna go do some hiking. So obviously it's next morning. Smoke is better, much better. I can breathe. Sage can breathe. She's wild right now. Sick. Let's fucking go. Yeah. There's no smoke up here. It's my smoke update. That's why I'm continuing this section. There's a lot of smoke out there. We'll worry about that later. You're too careful, you're gonna slide down. You can't go any further. No, no, you can't go any further. Come on, get up. Come on. Oh my God, I knew this was what you were gonna do here. For fuck's sakes. Come on. No, come on, dude. Yep, this is through hiking with my dog, just in case y'all were wondering. It's interesting. She doesn't want to walk across snow slopes. She just wants to slide. Oh my God, you are the biggest goober ever. Oh my God. And it's like never ending with her too. If the snow is here, she's gonna do it. Come on. Come on. I am well entertained out here, guys. Eat up. You can't even put a price on that view. Life is good. We did, oh God, it was 19 freaking 1 or 2 miles ago, so she just had her biggest day. What a big dog. She's a trail dog. We did 2 big passes again today, too. Man, I'm so proud of my dog right now. Yeah. 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 He be chillin'. We be chillin'. Second one of the day. Did that one there. Now I'm on this one. Heading that way. That dog's ready to go. Ah, the end of the day pass. It's been a long day. And there's where the sun is. We're cooking today though. The other side of this pass. Epic. The smoke just rolls in at night. It's clear during the day. And it's tolerable. We're gonna keep hiking because she's a beast and I'm stubborn. The great magical tree. Sage's first trail magic. Too bad she can't really have any of this, but she's stoked. Thanks, Butterfly House. I love me a good sun-kissed orange on trail. Thanks, guys. Sage, it's alive! Yay! Sage loves looking at the animals here. There's a chicken that always walks by. Chicken coop, little garden. Hot tub. Straight chilling. You did it, you did. Little map of Monarch there on the wall. Yeah, this is about one of the coolest places you could ever stop on trail. Swapping these things out. Got a new pair on. Peace out, Butterfly House. Always a pleasure.